this video, I'm going to give you a quick guide on how to use Google Gemini on your Android phone. So let's begin with it. Google Gemini is one of the app assistant phone like Google Assistant that will help you with lots of questions. So on the very top, you can see recent option and hide suggestions option. These are the suggestions that Google are giving that you can hide. And when you tap on the below, you can see type, talk, or share a photo. So you may type anything or talk with the Google Gemini or share a photo. Let's say I will type how many continents are there in the world and send it. And here, after a few seconds, it gives me all of the answers like in a brief way. So in that way, you can ask questions, anything, and you may also listen it in audio version by tapping on that button. And below the answer, you can see like, dislike, Google share and copy link option. You may just tap on like and choose the rating and tap it on submit. And then use the Google option to see it more briefly. And yeah. So here on the three dots, you can see export to docs, draft in Gmail, create public link, select text, modify response, other drafts option. You may just choose any of the option you may like. And when you tap here, you can see microphone and camera option. You may use microphone to ask questions by audio version, or tap on the camera to send a photo and ask what kind of whatever question you want. And here you may also see on the right side of the screen, tap on it there and you can go to the settings of the app. And here you can see the Gemini settings, your public links, languages, screen context, Gemini on lock screen. You may just choose any languages if you want. And you can see Google Assistant features in Gemini, digital assistants from Google. Basically, it is also a replica version of Google Assistant that you already have on your phone. So you may just arrange it however you want. So in this way, you can use Google Gemini on your Android phone easily. So thank you for watching.